Hello everyone, welcome to Shardama Academy. In this video, we will learn addition and subtraction using Abacus kit. In last class, we discussed about Abacus, its kit, and how to represent numbers from 1 to 100 on this kit. As you are seeing on this screen, this is an Abacus kit which is having a frame, an answer bar, upper beads and lower beads, and there are number of vertical rods. Each rod is having value 9. So this is ones rod, tens rod, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs and so on. So this is ones rod and it is having upper bead and lower beads. So upper bead value is 5 and each lower bead value is 1. So this is upper bead, its value is 5 and these are the lower beads, each lower bead value is 1. Let us learn addition and subtraction by taking some examples. So let us take first example. So let's add 1 plus 3 minus 1, 1. Now plus 3, 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1. Minus 1 means remove 1 from this answer bar. So remove 1. So now the total answer is calculated by counting number of bits attached to this answer bar. So 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. Let's take another example. 4 minus 1 plus 1. So 4 means lower 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 1 means remove 1 from the answer. Remove 1. Then plus 1 again. Add 1 to the answer. So total answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see here, addition means attach beads to the answer bar and subtraction means remove beads from the answer bar. Next problem is 1 plus 2 minus 1. 1 means add 1. Then plus 2, add 2, 1, 2. Minus 1 means remove 1 from the answer bar. Remove 1, remove 1. So total answer is 1, 2. Next problem, 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 means add lower 4 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 means remove 2, 1, 2. Then plus 1 means add 1 to the answer bar. So total answer is 1, 2, 3. Next problem is 3 minus 2 plus 1. 3 means lower 3 bits, 1, 2, 3. Minus 2 means remove 2 from answer bar, 1, 2. Then plus 1, add 1. So total answer is 1, 2. So next problem is 2 minus 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2 means remove 2, 1, 2. Then plus 1 means add 1 to the answer bar. So total answer is 1. So next problem is 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1 means remove 1. Plus 2 means add 2, 1, 2. So the total answer is 1, 2. Next problem 3 minus 1 plus 1. 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 means remove 1, 1. Plus 1 means add 1 to the answer bar. So total answer is 1, 2, 3. So next problem 4 minus 2 minus 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 2 means remove 2, 1, 2. Then again minus 2, remove 2, 1, 2. So the total answer is 0. Not a single bit is attached to this answer bar. So that's why the answer is 0. Next problem is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means add 1. Again plus 1 means add 1. So total answer is 1, 2, 3. Next problem is 2 minus 2, 1 plus 2. 2, 1, 2. Minus 2 means remove 2, 1, 2. Then plus 1 means add 1. Then again plus 2 means add 2, 1, 2. So the total answer is 1, 2, 3. So in this way we can perform addition and subtraction using kit. So simply by making the movements of bits we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and so on. So let us take another example. 4 minus 2 plus 2. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 means remove 2, 1, 2. Again minus 2 means remove again 2, 1, 2. Plus 2 means add 2. 1, 2. So the total answer is 1, 2. Next problem, 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 3 minus 2 means remove 2. 1, 2. Then plus 1 means add 1. 1. Then again plus 2 means add 2. 1, 2. So the total answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next problem, 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means remove 1. Plus 2 means add 2. 1, 2. Minus 1 means remove 1. Remove 1. Then answer is 1. So next problem is 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 2 means remove 2. 1, 2. Plus 1 means add 1. 1. Then plus 1 again. Add 1. So the total answer is 1, 2, 3. So take next problem. 4 minus 4 plus 2 plus minus 2. So 4 minus 4 means remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus 2. Add 2. 1, 2. Then again minus 2 means remove 2. So the answer is 0. Take next problem. 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1 means remove 1 from the answer bar. So the answer is 1, 2. Take another problem. 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Minus 3 means remove 3. 1, 2, 3. Then plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. As I always says, practice makes man perfect. That means we have to solve many problems to make ourselves perfect. Okay, so to understand these we will solve more problems, and these problems we are solving without carry. So that means there is no carry. We are performing addition, subtraction only on single rod. So there is no carry. So that's why these problems are also known as addition and subtraction without complements. So let's solve some more problems without complements. So take problem 3 minus 2 plus 5. 3, 1, 2, 3. Then minus 2. Minus 2 means remove 2. 1, 2. Then plus 5 means add 5. Now 5 means this is the upper bit. Upper bit is having value 5. So attach that upper bar to answer bar. So total answer is 5, 6. Take next problem. 5 plus 2 minus 1. 5 means upper bit 5. Plus 2 means add lower 2 bits 1, 2. Then minus 1 means remove 1. Then total answer is 5, 6. Take next problem. 4 minus 3 plus 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 3 means remove 3. 1, 2, 3. So add 5 means upper bit. Add upper bit 5. So total answer is 5, 6. So take next problem. 3 plus 1 plus 5. 3, 1, 2, 3. Then plus 1 means add lower bit 1. Then plus 5 means it is upper bit, add upper bit 5. So total answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take next problem. 3 minus 2 plus 5. 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 2 means remove 2. 1, 2. Then plus 5 means add upper bit plus 5. So the total answer is 5, 6. So take next problem. 5 plus 1 plus 2. 5 means add upper bit 5. Plus 1 means add lower bit 1. Then plus 2 add 2 bits 1, 2. So total answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Take next problem. 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6, 5 plus 1 minus 1. 5, remove 5 means remove 5 from the answer bar. Add 6, 5, 6. Then remove 6. First remove upper bit, then lower bit 6. Then plus 5. Plus 5 means add upper bit. Then plus 1 means add lower bit. Minus 1 means remove lower bit. So the total answer is 5. Take next problem. 5 plus 3 minus 1. 5 means upper bit 5. Plus 3 means add 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 means remove 1 from the answer bar 1. So total answer is 5, 6, 7. Take next problem. 9 minus 4 plus 3. 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 4 means remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 3 means add 3. 1, 2, 3. So the total answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Take next problem. 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 3. 1, add 1. Plus 5 means upper bit, 5. Plus 2 means lower 2 bits, 1, 2. Then minus 3 means remove 3 lower bits, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5. Take next problem. 5, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 5. Add 5 upper bit. Then minus 7 means remove 1 upper bit and 2 lower bits. 5, 6, 7 plus 1 means add 1. So total answer is 1, 2. Take next problem. 5 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1. 5 plus 1 means add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 means remove 2 from this answer bar. 1, 2. Then again minus 1 means remove 1. 1. So the total answer is 5, 6. Take next problem. 7 means add 7. 5, 6, 7. Next is plus 2. Add 2. 1, 2. Then minus 4 means remove 4 from the answer bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then add 3. 1, 2, 3. So the total answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Take next problem. 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 6 means add 1 upper bit and 1 lower bit. 5, 6. Then remove 5. Minus 5 means remove 5. Minus 5. Then again minus 3 means remove 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1. Take next problem. 5 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. So 5 means add upper bit. So 1, 5 we added here. Then next is plus 3. Plus 3 means add lower 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 3. Minus 3 means remove 3. 1, 2, 3. Then plus 4 means add lower 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 5 means remove upper bit, that is 5. So total answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Take next problem. 6, 5, 6. Then plus 3 means add lower 3 bit. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 5 means remove upper bit. Remove 5. Then minus 2 means remove lower 2 bits. 1, 2. So the total answer is 1, 2. Take next problem. 4. Lower 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus 5 means add upper bit. 5. Minus 3 means remove lower 3 bit. 1, 2, 3. Plus 2. Add 2. 1, 2. So total answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Take next problem. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3 means remove 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 6 means remove 6. Remove upper bit and lower bit. 5, 6. Then plus 4 means add lower 4 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Take another problem. 7, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5 means remove upper bit. 5. Then plus 2 means add again 2. 1, 2. Then minus 3 means remove 3 lower bits. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1. If you like this video, then please I request you to like, share and subscribe Sharadamma Academy YouTube channel so that we will bring more such videos for you. Thank you very much.